Hey guys, this is CP from Imaginary Programmer. In this video, we are going to talk about what is difference between Intel's Core i3, i5, i7 and i9 processors. So let's begin. A processor is like a computer's brain, and Intel Core processors are the most powerful. They have multi-cores for more powerful and smoothly multitasking. There are four main categories: i3, i5, i7 and i9. Each has numerous spec options, but strictly speaking, i5 is superior to i3 and so on. You might be thinking, what is the difference between Intel generations? The answer is, each year Intel Core processors are updated. 2018's update are known as the 8th generation. I'm not sure what generation of processor your PC has, but the number after the hyphen on its series number should give you the clue. For example, an Intel Core i7-7820HQ is the 7th generation core. Intel's 8th generation of processor has moved with times and delivered some exciting new features, including incredible VR experience, high quality 4K Ultra HD content, 2 more cores up to 6 instead of the original 4. Introduction of super-powered Intel Core i9 and X series. Now let's talk about Core i3. If you are after a laptop for everyday computing tasks like web browsing, video streaming and office type work, then i3 is great for you. The latest 8th gen has up to 4 cores, twice as many as 7th gen, making day-to-day use lot slicker. It even lets you watch content in immersive 4K and 360-degree viewing. With a Core i3, you can browse multiple web pages smoothly, work in Word or Excel, stream movies and TV shows from Netflix in HD, listen to music on Spotify, multitask effectively with Intel hyper-threading technology. Now let's talk about Core i5. Thanks to Intel 8th Gen update, many i5 processors now feature 6 cores of processing power. This means they can handle more jobs at the same time. Great for busy multitaskers. Designers and photographers are well created for too, as are building PC gamers. With a Core i5, you can smoothly multitask, work on competitive tasks like rendering big Excel files, edit in Photoshop and sketch in Illustrator, create, share and watch 4K content, play intensive games, benefit from faster repeated tasks thanks to large cache size, stream from multiple sites, get a temporary boost when using demanding programs with a Intel Turbo Boost Technology 2.0, and lots more. Now Core i7. If you are advanced video editing or 3D modeling, you will need very fast processor and good graphics, so look at an i7. It's a perfect for demands of gaming fans too. With 6 original cores and the technology to create another 6 virtual cores, it has enough power for the most demanding tasks. With a Core i7, you can encode video more efficiently, work smoothly in 3D modeling programs, smoothly edit in Photoshop and sketch in Illustrator, watch and edit 4K Ultra HD content and 360 videos. Work productively with demanding creative programs. Each core uses 2 threads rather than one with Intel hyper-threading technology. Benefits for faster repetitive tasks thanks to large cache size and lots more. The newest addition to the Intel family, the Core i9X series, is Intel's most powerful processor with 18 cores and 36 threads. And with update Intel Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0, it evaluates everything you do to new highlights. i9 turns your PC into studio, producing breathtaking 4K and 360 video, stunning photo or high quality music. Gamer won't be disappointed either. This is ultimate tool for virtual reality gaming. With Core i9, you can produce, edit and share 4K Ultra HD content and 360 video, work smoothly in 3D modeling programs, produce and edit high quality music, smoothly edit in Photoshop and sketch in Illustrator, enjoy the ultimate gaming and VR experience, or work more productively when using demanding creative programs. Benefit from faster repetitive tasks thanks to the large cache size, and lots more you can do with Core i9. X series variations of the Intel Core range are now available. This unlocked version of the original performance are supercharged and allow for overclocking. They are designed to scale your performance needs by delivering options between 4 to 18 cores for extreme performance and the latest technological advantage while providing headroom for the future. This is all about the Intel's Core i series family. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.